Díomh. Hi everyone, Conas atá sibh. Today we're looking at Tuesday of our mental maths, and let's start with a nice easy one for you. We're looking at the clock. 30 or something 30. So our minute hand, the long hand, has gone halfway around the clock to 6. Where has the hour hand gone? It's just past what? Number 2. 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10. How many tens? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we're counting up in tens, and I know you're all really good at counting up in tens. So you're going to count up in tens 5 times to get your answer. Number 3, how many corners has this square? So not how many sides, how many corners? So let's have a look. So our corners are... Oh, my pencil doesn't want to work. Come on, pencil, what's wrong with you? Our corners are these parts here. Okay, so the corners are where 2 lines meet. These are the sides. These are the corners. How many corners does the square have? Number 4, a nice easy one for you. 10 take away 2 equals what? Number 5, 15 plus 24. So let's have a look at our tens and units, like we were doing with the dice yesterday. 10 and units. We always start with adding our units first for addition. So 5 plus 4 equals, and 1 plus 2 equals. And that's really 10 plus 20. Number 6. What number is missing from 41 to 51? So you're going to count up from 41 to 51. Tick them off as you go if that will help you, and you'll see which one is missing. Number 7. 11 take away 4 equals, or 11 minus 4 equals. Number 8. 5 plus 6 equals. Number 9. Write a tick if it's true or an X if it's false. So we've got 2 3D shapes. We've got a sphere and we've got a cube. Does a sphere roll? Put a tick if it does or an X if it doesn't. Does a sphere stack? Could you stack them on top of each other and make a tower of spheres? A tick for true and an X for false. How about a cube? Does it roll? So tick or X. And can you stack cubes? Can you make a tower out of them? Tick or X. And number 10, 6 plus what equals 11? And you can always turn that one around and make it into a takeaway if you prefer. 6 plus something equals 11, or 11 take away 6 equals something. Okay, let's have a look at our problem solving. So it's the same kind of thing as we did yesterday. So what we're doing today, we're using 1, 3, 4 and 5 to make 9 across and down. So let's have a look at the numbers and have a think, because you're well able for these now and you know your sums really well. Like, you know 1 and 3 isn't going to make 9, and you know 1 and 4 isn't going to make 9, or 1 and 5. You know 1 plus any of those won't make 9. So 1 is going to be one of the ones coming down here. Which 2 numbers here would make 9? 3 and 4? Let's count on and see. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, no. 4 and 5, so we're on 4, 5 more. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So remember the last day I showed you where people get stuck on this all the time. You can try writing in your 4 and 5 here, but you might end up having to switch them around, because this is one of the tricky bits. So let's put in 4 and 5 and just see how it goes. We'll put the 4 first and the 5 second, and we'll see does it work out for us. Sometimes it works and sometimes you might have to switch them. So we've done our 4 and our 5, we've used those two. Will we see if 1 plus 5 plus 3 will make 9? So we'll try putting it in here and see. 1 and 5 gives us 6, and then 3 more, 7, 8, 9. So it works this time. Sometimes you might have to switch around and do the other way around here. Okay, slán go fóill.